Greetings of the day, respected Chairman and members of NBA Expert Committee. I, Dr. Peena Bhatt, Principal, warmly welcome you to Aditya Silverock Institute of Technology. Aditya Silverock Institute of Technology was established in the year 2014. It operates under the trust of Silverock Shops and Offices of Cooperative Housing Society Limited. Initially, it has started 5 UG programs in computer, mechanical, chemical, civil, electrical engineering with an intake capacity of 60 in each. Introduced the IT and aeronautical engineering program in 2015 with the intake capacity of 60, and we have also upgraded mechanical engineering by 120 intakes in total. ASSOAT has started diploma engineering in the year 2019 with 2 programs in IT and chemical engineering with an intake capacity of 60 and 120 in each respectively. Institute has proven to be a performer by securing 3-star rating in 2019 and 2020 GSRIF ranking. It has been ranked 7th in India as top emerging private institute of technology by the Times of India, the only affiliated college from GTU. ASSOAT is located within the city limit of Ahmedabad, well connected with highway and local roads, and also very close to public transport pickup points, where inherently becomes an easy commute for all our stakeholders and naturally become a preferred location for girl students. ASSOAT is the most preferred self-finance institute with comparatively fewer tuition fees in Ahmedabad. In spite of being SFI, we have a provision of student scholarship, and thus we have also become an obvious choice of high merit students. ASSOAT has around a total 1900 number of students, and 4 batches has already been passed out and have more than 1400 number of alumni. Institute has a total of 110 faculties, 6 associate professors and rest are assistant professors. Out of them, total 11 faculties are PhD and 9 are pursuing their PhD, and rest are having a master qualifications. Our institute has a temple within a campus that constantly create divine and positive vibes that naturally advocate its vibrant campus. In line with the vision to be a premium technological institution that foster excellence in education, research and value towards inspiring and developing future leaders. Institute actively involved in the research and development in total 13 patents, 5 books, 9 NPTEL translation in regional language, and 130 papers have been published collectively by our faculty members. Institute understands that every individual has their own pace and capabilities of learning, and according to such need, we are providing ample amount of scope to every learner, which can be seen in action with the problem-based learning and continuous evaluation, which encourage learning in the bright and to be bright students respectively. Institute is providing various co-curriculum activities to fill curriculum gap and provide a platform to learn industries in demand technology through advanced laboratories like Medha Lab, Red Hat Academy and advanced network securing research labs. Various technical clubs such as Banyan Tree, Indian Rosewood and 3D printer facilities. Institute organizes a state level technical festival called Talash, where students get a chance to compete with the other students of the state and see how well they are doing and which other skills are yet to learn. Appreciation has proven as the best fuel to inspire and motivate. Institute organizes project fair where final year students get a chance to showcase their projects and a talent, invited industry experts and to other students. Institute also reward and award top 3 best projects from every programs to reinforce students' confidence. Institute strongly believes in the skill to employability. For the same, Institute has set up the state-of-the-art Royal Enfield Center of Excellence along with the ICER Motors to enhance automobile technician skills, which is constantly benefiting students of the institute as well as the student of the other institutes. Pursuing the dream of the Government of India and truly embarking on Make in India policy, Institute has developed one of its kind incubation center, which is 14,000 square feet, in which we have witnessed dreams become true of many entrepreneurs.
Hi, my name is Harshal Mistry. I am currently working with Roy Enfield as training manager. My role here is to train students in mechanical and electrical components. From 2019 till date, over 500 plus students has been trained. Roy Enfield's training center is an industrial level training zone where not only students but also Roy Enfield dealers and its employees has been trained. In addition to that, the BSF commandos is been trained here for their maintenance of the vehicles at our borders. Roy Enfield Training Center consists of various trainings like virtual and physical classes where you can learn the various components of IC engine, the mechanical parts and the electrical sensors and actuators.
Hello, my name is Nijal Patel. I am assistant professor in Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology, and I am also a faculty advisor of Indian Rosewood Club, which is basically the SAE club. Till now we have built 6 ATVs and we are participating in different national events that consist of different GTU ATV Championship, SAE Baha and many more. If I talk about the standard procedure of Indian Rosewood Club, then we are manufacturing the ATVs, the complete design procedure to the testing as well as the racing procedure is followed in the institute. The first step of this building of ATV is design, which is carried out in dedicated CAD lab. Apart from it, the second step is about the manufacturing of the ATV, which is carried out in the dedicated workshop and which is also located in our campus only. And in that we are manufacturing different components of ATVs like brakes and different roll cage and many more components that are being fabricated in our workshop. And after third stage is that is about the testing, and which is also carried out in the campus. We have made a different track for it for the testing purpose, and after passing through all these 3 events, finally the racing is done and our ATV is ready to roll on the race. If I talk about the achievements of the Indian Rosewood Club, then in the year of 2018 we have won about 5.25 lakh rupees of prize money along with 14 different national awards. And in the year of 2019, we have won about 3.25 lakh of prize money along with 22 of national awards. So this is all about the Indian Rosewood Club.
Hello, I am Keval Bavasar, Junior Research Fellow at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology. As we all very well know that prototyping is one of the most important phase for any research project. One of the easiest and yet the low cost solution is by using the 3D printing technology, which is an additive manufacturing technique. Beside me is the DAMBOY 450D, which is a fusion deposition modeling based 3D printer having a filament size of 1.75 mm. This printer has been procured under the project Spider, a security device, which is funded under the Science, Technology and Innovation scheme of Gujarat Council of Science and Technology, that is GUJCOS. This project is having the principal investigator as Dr. P.M. Bhatt and the co-investigator as Mr. Umang Parmar. This printer is also having one of the largest bed size, that is of 450 mm by 400 mm, which is one of the largest bed size available in the state of Gujarat.
Hello, my name is Yash Kosti. I am a network engineer and we are from Spiderweb Technologies. So this is the Cisco firewall ASA and this is the local network, and that was global outside network. So this firewall will provide the network security and the cyber security protection for miscellaneous activities like undetected IP addresses and another cyber security attacks like happening in the real world.
Good day to all of you. Myself is Parthiv Shah. I am a sports secretary for Silver Rock University. We all know that sports plays an important part in developing various attributes of students. It teaches students self-discipline, accountability, taking responsibility, playing a part in team sports. So considering the importance of sports in our regular life, especially in students' life, we encourage our students to participate in various sports. For students, we organized annual sports activities. We also participate in various sports tournaments organized by other universities as well. In our annual sports activities, we include various team sports as well as various indoor sports. In team sports, we include cricket, volleyball, kabaddi, football, basketball, softball, tug of war, kho-kho. In individual sports or the pair sports, we include badminton, table tennis, chess, carom, swimming, skating, lawn tennis, 100-meter race and throw ball. In all these sports, not only boys but girl students also participate in huge numbers.
Hello all, myself Nunal Kakkad, Incubation Manager at Ignite Incubation Center of Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology. Today, when everyone is talking about startups, like government is supporting the startups in every possible way, also students which are getting more and more enthusiastic and also developing their intellectual in every possible field and sector. So students are also more anxious to have their own startup and venture. Like if a student studying an engineering course, at the end, if he or she has some innovative idea, then the Ignite is the place, like it is the incubation center which is supported under government startup schemes. Like first scheme is SSIP, that is Student Startup and Innovation Policy, which is promoted by Department of Technical Education, Government of Gujarat. So our institute is recognized as a SSIP grantee institute, where student gets the assistance in terms of funding for the proof of concept, mentoring, co-working space, etc. Now, the second scheme is Scheme for Assistance of Startups, which is promoted by Industries and Mining Department, Government of Gujarat, in which once the proof of concept is done, once the startup has matured, they want to come into the public, so they get the assistance for prototype development, marketing. They get additional support for if their startup is solving some social impact issue. So this is the way, like how Ignite is supporting, Ignite of Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology supports the startups, the new entrepreneurs, aspiring young enthusiasts for their own business and venture. Here we provide a co-working space which is a state-of-the-art facility for the startups to have their own registered office. Like they can have the space over here, they can work from here, and gradually they will develop the business starting from this place.
Hello everyone, greetings from Training and Placement Cell, Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology. I am Nipen Shukla, heading Training and Placement Cell, would like to brief you about all the training and placement activities carried out by TNP Cell. We provide full training and placement assistance to the students. Primarily, we take care of campus placement, internship support, career orientation, recruiter meet and expert lectures. Training and placement cell activities broadly bifurcated in two parts. On the front end, we invite companies for placements, and on the back end side, we prepare students to become industry ready. We have strong industry linkages and are connected with more than 500 companies of international and national repute. Some of our recruiters are TCS, Byju's, Just Dial, Amazon, Coca-Cola, IBM, Paytm, Bosch Group, Reliance Jio and many other prestigious organizations. Every year we start placement season once the students enter in the 7th semester. We try to bring maximum companies for placement opportunities of the students in 7th semester itself. All those students who get placement are given full-time training and internship opportunities in the same companies where they have got placement, and after successful completion of the internship, students get employment opportunities with the same company. Every year we organize more than 200 campus drives and try to provide maximum placement opportunities to the students. As we know that practical exposure is very much important to provide overall development of the students. We have, and hence we have devised internship program for the students. Internship program is categorized as summer internship, winter internship and final semester project training. We are well connected with reputed companies of different sectors, and every year more than 500 students are sent for internship in several companies in different sectors. Some of our reputed companies in which we send our students for internship are ISRO, IFCO, ONGC, Indian Railways and many other reputed organizations. To make students employable and to enhance their employability, we have developed campus recruitment training program which starts with the first semester itself. We teach aptitude building, resume writing skill, email etiquette, do's and don'ts of the interview, and we conduct various mock placement sessions to make students industry ready so that they can perform better during the campus placements. For this purpose, we have hired well experienced corporate and aptitude trainers in our training and placement team. In addition to above, we have signed MOU with several premier industry bodies, and in line with this we have established one of the state of its kind facility, Royal Enfield Center of Excellence, in the university premises itself by joining hands together with automobile major Eicher Motors. To take care of industry need, Aditya Silverrock Institute of Technology has developed one of its kind state of the art training and placement cell in the institute premises itself. Our training and placement cell is one of the best placement cell in the region. The entire placement cell is Wi-Fi enabled. We have developed seminar hall, interview cabins, group discussion and panel interview facilities in the campus premises itself.
Hello, myself Jwalant Modi, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department, Aditya Silverrock Institute of Technology. Silverrock University is having a 151.9 kilowatt of solar plant. In that, on the block B, 93 kilowatt of solar plant is there, and on the block D, there is a 58.9 kilowatt of solar plant is available. Along with the same, there are 310 modules available on the block B and 180 modules are available on the block D. Due to that, we are capable to generate almost 600 plus units every day, and with the generation of these units, we have reduced our power demand from the electricity provider. Due to that, there is a financial benefit as well as we are contributing to the green energy.
I, Darshika Shah, welcoming you to the library of Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology. The vision of the library is to inculcate habit of reading among the students as well as teachers. Our library has a very rich collection of books on various branches of knowledge, serving as a nerve center of the college. The library consists of 110 sitting capacity in approximately 450 meter square area. More than 17,000 plus printed volumes are available in 3,000 plus titles. 1,000 plus e-books are available in the library. National journals 30 plus are available. E-journal 5,000 plus are available through Delnet, Developing Library Network. Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology holds a membership of NDLI club as well. Library has almost 500 plus CDs and DVDs are available on various topics.
Hello, I am Professor Himani Mittal. I am an assistant professor in English here. Welcome to the Digital English Language Laboratory of Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology. Engineering is a professional course, and we all know that today's professional world demands for good communicators and presenters. Businesses going global is very common these days, and for the international trade, it is necessary to communicate effectively in English with the foreign clients. For serving the purpose, Aditya Silver Rock Institute of Technology provides a unique state-of-the-art digital English language laboratory that provides practices and improves the language learning skills of students by concentrating on the basic language learning skills like reading, writing, speaking and listening to various activities like presentations, group discussions, personal interviews, role plays and lot many more writing and listening skills exercises. The whole laboratory curriculum is guided by the syllabus. The content provided here is multimedia rich, including the computer-based training and the instructor-led training. A manual is readily provided to the students for practice. Language Laboratory at Aditya Silver Oak is equipped with the digital setup that consists of a hardware and an interactive software to make language learning technically advanced and more efficient. That helps us in fulfilling our institute's vision of making our students future professionals. We have 23 student computers and 1 teacher's terminal, headphones with speakers and an interactive language learning software which is a network-based software that improves the teaching environment which brings fun and efficiency in learning. The teacher can remotely control, monitor, broadcast, assist and assign tasks to the students through the teacher's terminal directly. It covers variety of modules like grammar, pronunciation, reading, writing, listening and speaking with ample of exercises. It enables students first to listen to the correct pronunciations, then to record their own voices while speaking and then check whether the pronunciations are correct or not. This is how they can improve on their pronunciations by practicing again and again. We also have a personality development module that helps teachers in guiding the students in developing their personalities too. This is how we aim at creating industry-ready professionals.
Hello everyone. I would like to give you a brief about the chemistry lab, that is a word of chemistry. This laboratory is basically used by first year students. We have divided this laboratory into 3 segments. First one is segment of chemical, second is the segment of basic glasswares and third one is the segment of equipment. Now if I brief you about the glasswares, then we do have sufficient amount of glasswares and sophisticated glasswares available here. For titration purpose, we have sufficient amount of pipettes as well as burettes and required amount of conical flask. If I talk about other glassware such as beakers are available here, then other than beakers you can see separatory funnels over here, different types of dropper, different size of droppers here, micro pipettes available here. Now coming to the second segment, that is about the chemical. So generally all the laboratories have the basic chemicals like sodium hydroxide, different basic acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, but other than acid we do have certain sophisticated chemicals for analytical purposes like SPA-DNS solution for analysis of fluoride, zirconium oxychloride solutions. And coming to the third segment of the equipment, then we do have certain amount of equipment for measuring like pH meter to measure the pH, melting point apparatus. We do have UV visible spectrophotometer, UV visible fluorescence cabinet, conductivity meter is available here. For measurement of turbidity, we do have a turbidity meter, and some other equipments are available here.
Hello everyone, myself Ravi Varashda. I am working as Assistant Professor in Aditya Silverock Institute of Technology. The experiment performed in a physics laboratory plays a significant role in understanding of and thought of the theory and as well as practical portion. In our physics lab, we have necessary equipments available here. So first is the solar cell. Then we are using the different type of the irregular areas using the Simpson method, and then is a half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier, the lasers and the Young modulus practical, and we had a Zener diode, PN junction diode, LEDs and semiconductor practicals available over here.
Hello everyone, this is Utsav Yagnik from Department of Electrical Engineering, Aditya Silverock Institute of Technology. We are sitting into the laboratory of Basic of Electrical Engineering. In this laboratory, we use various equipments to perform required experiments for the students of the first year. The experiments are Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, time constants for the RL and RC circuits. Using these experiments, we try to bridge the gap between the theoretical knowledge that they are getting into the classes and help them understand it better by doing the experiments in the laboratory.
Hello everyone, myself Janish Patel, an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Aditya Silverock Institute of Technology. Kalpesh Pargi, a lab assistant of R, welcomes you all to the Basics Mechanical Engineering Lab. This lab is offered to the first year engineering students where they can get the practical exposure about the various fundamental aspects of mechanical engineering. Also, they can get into touch with the various fields of mechanical engineering such as the thermal engineering, internal combustion engineering and manufacturing engineering. This lab consists of 8 experiments, and the various experiments are such as the experiments which are related to the boiler, internal combustion engine, and also the experiments which are related to the power transmission devices. In addition, they can also learn about the refrigeration and the air conditioning related experiments where they can get the knowledge about the various thermal aspects which are related to the refrigeration and the air conditioning. Now, let me have the lab visit.
Let me give you brief introduction about final year project and problem-based learning. In every year, we introduce a project fair for all final year engineering students. During project fair, we are representing students' project in project showcase, where students represents their working models, their simulation models to the external experts. For problem-based learning, we are adding pre-final year and final year students, in which students will get some exposure in terms of problem-based learning. It is an instructional approach where students learn and by solving challenging, open-ended questions. So rather than teach and provide to the answer of a problem, instructors take the role of facilitator, coach, and mentor to guide students as they develop a new skills and knowledge during the problem solving process. We have suggested many problem statements in terms of technical and non-technical, like cleanliness, smart campus, water harvesting, holistic culture, education, entrepreneurship, environmental, child development, NSS and NCC based topics. For the evaluation purpose, we have identified few categories for the rubrics, which includes problem recognition, organizational structure, quality of work, presentation skills, and learning objectives. Here are few questions that can be help to students to jumpstart the brainstorming sessions for project as well as for problem-based learning.
We have studied and experienced available tools like Zoom, Webex, Google Meet, etc. But each has required features as well as limitations. So we decided to go for Cisco Webex license version for our faculty members for online teaching learning. Each individual faculty members are allocated licensed Cisco Webex suite to conduct online classes, which has many unique features. Mainly it has 3 modules like meeting module, training module and event module. In each module there are several good features like pre-registration of students to avoid trespassing, auto attendance monitoring, attention span monitoring, document sharing, screen sharing, whiteboard sharing, poll conduction, in-class test conduction and result declaration. Also auto recording of sessions and its storage on cloud. So we can provide seamless experience of learning to our students. Not only conducting lectures using Cisco Webex, but all recorded sessions which are available on cloud, which we provided to students upon request for their revision. These recorded sessions are also downloaded and stored as a repository of plenty of videos of different subjects for large benefit of students. We have used it for conducting large events like expert sessions, cultural events, technical events, etc. We even used these Webex tools for conducting proctor-based online exams also. At last, we can say we have given an unique learning experience to our students using Webex tool during pandemic, and now it has become part of our regular teaching learning process.
Hello all, I am Manan Pathak, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology. I am also an NSS Program Coordinator of Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology. We received NSS unit in January 2019. Under NSS banner, our unit has carried out many of the activities like cleanliness, blood donation camp and awareness amongst government beneficiaries to the villagers. During our NSS, we had taken care of 2 special camps in Khicha and Motipura villages. The main achievements of our NSS volunteers that few students have selected for pre-RDC camp at Maharashtra and Rajasthan. The main achievements of our students is during one of the blood donation camp, 5 of our students went to Raj Bhavan.
left, right, left. Each year at ASSOIT, abundance of stimulating programs and activities like paper presentations, quiz competitions, project fair, and tech fest are organized that facilitates provocative and thought-provoking meaningful use of students' time beyond classroom. Broadly known as co-curricular activities, these opportunities are an integral part of college life, offering students additional avenues in which they can explore their talents, passion, and interests. During such activities, our students apply what they learn in the classrooms to enhance their knowledge and performance. These activities help them to attain various program outcomes and program-specific outcomes. Industrial visits are arranged every semester for the students to get acquainted with the industrial environment. Guest lectures of entrepreneurs are arranged for the motivation of the students. There are various active clubs of the institute that organizes a plethora of activities for students' practical exposure. Indian Rosewood Club deals with application in marine and aircraft grade plywood and also in carving, engraving and tool handling. White Oak Club aims to reach higher levels through a uniform design and a keen focus on development. Black Cherry Club inspires to develop 3D environment and embed in it day-to-day applications. Banyan Tree Club inspires community of students pursuing excellence in Linux operating structure. Neem Tree Club provides fun and hands-on opportunities to experience general chemistry beyond the classroom. Pen Cherry Club motivates the students who are willing to create real-time applications by an amalgamation of knowledge and technical skills and also wish to make a successful career in the embedded industry. Teak Tree Club is for those students who are keen on understanding electrical engineering in its entirety. Arjuna Club is for those who have a creative streak and are interested in mathematical modeling. Silver Maple Tree Club has been developed by Civil Engineering Department with an objective to learn subjects with innovative practical concept in civil engineering. Talash is an inter-college technical fest organized every year for 2 days. It is the trademark event of the institute which provides the complete platform for the engineering youth to showcase their hidden talents and also help in building their overall development. Annual Tech Fest Talash is organized every year to identify the best and brightest minds that solve various technical challenges by overcoming the hurdles of the tournaments. Students take part in it with highest enthusiasm to compete against various teams all across Gujarat. Project Fair is organized for final year students where students display their projects and other students, parents and common people at other department level, they view the displayed projects and evaluation is carried on for best projects and suitably rewarded. Looking at the extra co-curricular activities, Aditya Silver Oak Institute of Technology organizes annual cultural festival called Junoon to showcase the talent of our students in various performing arts areas like dancing, singing, music, theatre, etc. Junoon starts with an award ceremony wherein students' excellence in academic, sports and their achievements in other extracurricular activities are awarded and honored. We have maintained the tradition since its inception to worship Goddess Durga by organizing Navratri Mahotsav named Ras Rasya. More than 8,000 students and parents take advantage of the event and play Garba in front of Ma Amba. Prizes are distributed over 20 different categories at the end of the event. We lay a strong emphasis on students' sports and overall physical development. Our annual Sports Week, Sports Mania, is planned and designed every year for students to develop and enhance their strength, speed, endurance, agility, flexibility, control and balance. Lastly, Republic Day and Independence Day are also celebrated to felicitate our glorious nation and honor our freedom.